Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called apps and notifications, and tap on it. And here tap on the app info. And in the app info menu, you should see the list of applications that are installed on your watch, right here. Now, find the application you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on the uninstall button, and tap on the checkmark to confirm and remove the application. We can do the same for this one. Like this. And once you're done, you can also open the menu to check, but the icons for the applications you uninstalled should be gone from this menu. As you can see, they're gone. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.